Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. Today I have 10 minutes of cleaning motivation for you. So whether you're looking for some really quick motivation or you want to use this video as a timer to maybe take 10 minutes to tidy up a room, whatever it may be, I hope that you get the motivation that you need today. Alright guys, before we get started, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button and hopefully hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So I always love to give you guys tips when it comes to cleaning. I know myself, I watch other cleaning videos and I get tons of tips and hacks and ideas. And so one thing that gets mentioned to me a lot is people that I have conversations with is they don't know where to start when they start cleaning. And my number one tip always is to go around your house and clean up your surfaces, whether it's a table, countertops, things that don't belong in that room, put them back in their places. This is also a perfect time to collect dishes or trash that may be around your home and just get all of these spots in order first before you actually start cleaning surfaces. Just by doing this, your spaces already start to look much more clean. In the crowd, just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your all the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight, 'cause when you fall apart. So a lot of people don't think that you can get a lot done in 10 minutes, but set that timer and you will be surprised how much tidying up you can get done in 10 minutes. Worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. And make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. And make it worth your while. I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can Alright guys, if you're cleaning along with me, I just want to let you know that we are at the 5-minute mark, so you have 5 more minutes left if you are cleaning along with me. Go ahead guys, you can do it. I know that you can.
Took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down, 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 down. She makes me crazy. Never promise anything, but maybe I let her do anything, let her play me. She makes me go another round.
Alright guys, you have about 1 more minute left until this video is over, and I hope if you've been cleaning along with me that you have gotten a ton done in these 10 minutes. If you were just watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it motivating and it helped you out for today. And if you have not yet hit that like button, please hit the like button, and also stop by in the comments below, especially if you're a new subscriber. I love hearing from you guys. I love when you guys leave me comments, and I love chatting with you guys down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.